XG is a platform rather than a single vendor. We have grouped many good engineers who help customers from schematic design till every detail is finalized. Secondly, we use a combination of ERP and MES so that sales ERP can be connected with ordering and manufacturing, even the logistics of coding. In this way, every advantage of each factory will be maximized, while the waste and cost of trial and error will be minimized. We simply rate every vendor in every single aspect. Meanwhile, our software support will develop a total solution from supplier management to warehouse management. Our vision is the easiest prototypes ever. Build your project with one window contact, within the budget cost and guaranteed quality. You can trust us with your projects while you can sleep like a baby at night.